Have you seen my friend Kipper? Looking for you too. Let's begin with the topic. Everybody's looking for Kipper's clues. Come on. It's the Just and Each Friends Club show. Step by step, yes. Day by day, let's think it through. It's the Just and Each Friends Club show.
Let's go.
Oh hi. Kipper and I are spending the day outside today. It's such a nice day to be outdoors today. Come on, let's see what Kipper's up to. Hey Kipper, what are you up to?
Looking for 4-leaf clovers. And 4-leaf clovers bring good luck. At least that's what Eddie told me.
Oh? Well, you're in luck. I actually found one earlier.
Oh boy. You're very lucky to find that.
Very lucky. And boy, it sure is such a nice day to be outside today, don't you think?
So nice. We got the whole outside world to see. Look, our clubhouse is right between these two houses. Our house, and Alex's clubhouse.
So true. There's so much to do and see outside. I wonder what we'll do.
Well, on a day like this, I may have an idea for what to do. But, you're going to have to play Kipper's Clues to figure it out.
An outdoor game of Kipper's Clues. What a great idea. We'll play Kipper's Clues to figure out what Kipper wants to do outside. We are gonna play Kipper's Clues, because it's really fun, yeah. Okay, so remember. Kipper's paw prints will be on the clues. Alright, you know what we need for Kipper's Clues. Our Justin H. Handy dandy.
Notebook!
Notebook, right.
Over here, Justin.
Oh wow. Did you make all this?
Yep, with a little help from some of our friends.
Nice. Alright, let me grab my notebook so we can get started.